I've made over $1 million trading meme coins in the last year alone. And in this video, I'll be telling you the 3 most gate-kept strategies the professionals will never tell you. And no, I'm not gonna be explaining you the basics like every other bullshit video on this app. This is the raw, borderline fucked up, but real and profitable strategies that you can use to crush in meme coins. First of all, you gotta stop looking at meme coins like it's just gambling. That's why 90% of traders get wrecked. I'm honestly a dumbass. I dropped out of school, but I'm still able to consistently rake in thousands of dollars in profit. If I can do it, so can you. But if I saw this as gambling, I would never have won anything. So let's get into the first secret, and that's gonna be multi-walleting. Now, this strategy can be a little bit devious, but at least you'll be profitable. And that's why you're here, to win. So what I do is I wait on the newly created tab right here to drop a coin. And before I buy a coin, it has to check off 3 major boxes. Those being number 1, it must catch the eye or instantly grab your attention from just a first glance. Number 2, after you click on the coin, establish whether the narrative is even good enough for other people to ape it. It doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be amazing. It just needs to be something that other people would buy. And then number 3, which this one is the most important, is you have to make sure that the snipers and the dev gets out within 45 seconds of the coin releasing. If not, then you're risking people clicking off and people not paying attention anymore. And if they stay in, then you're gonna get dumped on by the snipers and the dev. So the second that they get out, you ape in between 6 and 10 wallets with about 10 Solana. That gives you enough wallets and enough Solana to really bring life back into the coin. This way, anyone watching it seems that the coin is getting some organic volume, and maybe they'll bounce in and hop on top of your buys. So you can do one of 2 things. If the narrative is really good, you can stay in your position, maybe it'll bond and you'll make a huge bag. Or number 2, which is the safer way to secure profits, is to wait on a couple buys to come in and then stack your position and make the difference. This method is really good, actually. I've made thousands of dollars using multi-wallets like this on fresh coins, and I showcase myself doing it live in Discord. So if you're interested in that, hop in the description or the bio. So the psychology behind this coin is kind of just giving people FOMO. When people see the green candles, they can be more apt to just ape into a coin without really checking the narrative. If they see that the narrative is decent, they'll hop in anyways, and they don't really do their research into what wallets are buying or if it's one person controlling it. This is low risk, very high reward, banger strategy. Moving on to the second secret, I'm gonna tell you about vamp coins. You might have heard the term vamp before, or having your coin vamped, but I'm gonna tell you exactly what that is, and most importantly, how you can make money from it. So this strategy is used on big news events. So for example, Trump posts a picture of a cat, or Elon posts a meme of like a polar bear or something. You know, just all around coins that run off of news or just stupid stuff that get hyped. So basically, every time there's a news runner, there will be a coin that tries to vamp it. You can always count on the vamp coin. So when this happens, you should be scanning new pairs for the vamp coin and look for coins that KOLs are pushing or getting cabaled, because honestly 9 out of 10 times these KOL vamp coins will bond, and if you can manage to get into one of these pre-bond, you'll print every single time. A lot of times you can tell they're vamp coins by tracking KOL wallets and stuff, which I use on Nova right here with the wallet tracking section. I don't have mine set up, but in another video I will explain how to do all this, or if you hop in the Discord, I'll tell you in there. And there's a few other tools that you can use to identify these vamp coins, which I will talk about in a later video. So if the potential new vamp coin has a better ticker, name, image, and KOLs talking about it, chances are you found the winner and you're about to print. So ape that coin. The biggest way that you can find vamp coins or take advantage of this is by being fast. So if you're not using a trading platform like Nova, or if you're not in a Discord like mine, you're at a disadvantage. You need to be as fast as humanly possible, or else you're gonna lose. So the third secret that you're going to have to understand is trading psychology, and just psychology of you and your competition. This is a huge one for crypto, but especially meme coins and these super micro caps that we trade. The thing that you need to understand is that a chart equals psychology. Every buy, every sell is literally just somebody's thoughts of saying, oh, this is good, or oh, this is bad. When you understand psychology, a lot of times you can see when a major sell-off is about to happen, or when the bottom's in and a big pump is about to come to the coin that you're looking at. And honestly, this just comes with market experience and being around a lot of coins and staring at the charts. Like, I literally stare at charts for probably 12 hours a day. So what I've noticed is that when charts start to flatline or like taper off, a lot of the paper-handed holders get super scared and they dump their bags. And on the other end of the equation, the same low IQ or frantic traders tend to be the guys that get in on the FOMO pumps and buy when the market's green. The guys that chase the pumps and then sell on any little dump like idiots. Don't want to be those people. So at the end of the day, no matter what your strategy is or what coins you're looking for, my Discord has everything, and it's completely free because we actually make money from trading. I'm trying to get more people in there. That's why I've talked about it so many times. So if you want to hop in there and live trade with me, the link will be in the description and in the bio. Good luck, guys.